Hi, sweet family. Today we are going to be in the kitchen and we are going to be looking at our tea for today. And today's tea is going to be some soursop. And if you enjoy teas as much as I do, just subscribe to this channel because we'll be doing lots more. I hope that this morning meets you well. I just wanted to come on this morning and do a quick recipe for you. It is breakfast time, so I'm going to be having a cup of tea, and I wanted to use some soursop tea for the next couple of maybe weeks or so. I don't know if I might just do it for a week or if I do it for 2 weeks. I want to be drinking some soursop tea for the next couple of weeks because I haven't drank it in a while. So we are going to be making some soursop tea. Now I have 4 cups of water already on, getting warm, boiling. So I'm gonna just put my soursop leaves in there now, and they're dried soursop leaves. So I'm gonna put, that's 4. I'm gonna put, I put 4.5. Now when you're making your tea, you can have it how strong you want it. It is left up to you. And these are my soursop leaves, if you can see them. And here, they're beautiful leaves. They're dried, but they're beautiful leaves. So I'm gonna leave this on to boil for about maybe uh, 10 minutes or so, and then I will be back to show you, because then what I will do after it boil it for 10 minutes, I'm going to leave it, let it sit for another 15 minutes, and then we will have our tea. Now I have a video up there on Soursop, so I'm not going to go into all the medicinal benefits because I already have a video up there with that. So I am going to list that video in the description box along with in the video of itself. All right, our tea has boiled for about 10 minutes, but now I'm gonna let it sit for another 15 minutes or so, and then I'll be right back to show you what it is like. Okay, family, I have let my tea sit for about 15 minutes and see how dark it has gotten. It has gotten a lot darker than it was. And that's because I had a little bit that I put in the container as well. And so it is basically all done. So what I am going to do, I took that opportunity to do my egg. My egg is right here. This is my egg, all nice, my boiled egg. And then I have some apple. My egg tastes good. Then I have some apple. And I'm going to eat my egg with some biscuits. So I know it's going to be delicious. And these Eclipse biscuits are some biscuits from Barbados, where I'm from. And I always love them when I'm home. So I found them at ShopRite. So I buy a couple every time I go there. All right. So once again, this is my tea, my soursop tea. So I'm just gonna pour it out in my glass there. As I said, the longer you let it sit, the more potent it's gonna get, the darker it's gonna get. Soursop tea is very good for your health. I have my sugar right here. I'm gonna use some cane sugar today. If you wanted to, you could use some honey, but I just gonna use a little bit of sugar today for my first cup at least. For my second cup, I might just use the honey. All right. So that is it, family. Our tea is all done. Mm. And as a friend of mine would say, it tastes earthy, but I love herbal teas, so it doesn't matter to me. And if you enjoyed this recipe, it was a pleasure having you in the kitchen with me this morning for our breakfast. And if you want to see more of these recipes, just let me know. And I will sure to make more of them for you, more teas, more breakfast stuff. I'm not much of a breakfast person, but I will see what I can do for you because I don't do like the bacon and eggs and all that. All right. So thank you so much for joining me once again. And if you like this recipe, just give me a subscribe or at least consider it. Consider giving me a subscribe, a like, and just give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you would know every time I send an upload. And share it with your friends because it'd be nice to share certain things with them. This wasn't a long video at all. So once again, you have an enjoyable day, an enjoyable week. Continue to spread the love. Let your light shine. And you know what I always tell you. I love you all. And peace and favor to all of you.